In this video, we're going to be talking about how to apply for an Ali auto loan online. So let's just get straight into the video. So to apply for an Ali auto loan online, all you need to do is simply go ahead and visit the Ali Auto website, then select your vehicle type and complete the application to receive pre-approval, which helps determine your financing term. You can also use the Ali mobile app to apply by heading into manage your account or even check your application status. I want to let you know that you need to check your credit score beforehand, as it is significantly important, and it impacts your interest rate. If you also have any questions, you can also contact the Ali customer support, but the best way I can suggest you is going to be by heading to the bank or the branch of your Ali bank, which will make it so much easier. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.